Hey yo, sweet people, I'm back. I don't like the lighting in the room. I mean, I don't think it's good enough. Let's try something again. 1, 2, 3. Does this look better? Is there a difference? I don't know. I switched on all the lights in my room. Hopefully it's better. If it's not, deal with it. I mean, so sorry I did not upload for the past few weeks. Sorry, I was busy, but now I'm good. I am ready. So a few things happened. While I was away, my FB page got more than 500 likes. My YouTube channel got around 200 subscribers. My first video reached around 1,000 views. So it actually more than 1,000, increasing each and every day. And yeah, so thank you so much. I love you guys a lot. I mean, love is just flowing out of me right now, like. Let's move past it, okay? Okay, so my most watched video, as I told you, is types of kids in architecture school. It just got more than 1,300 views. Thank you so much for that. And my most read article is a semester in the life of an architecture student. Link in the description below. So I guess you guys like an architecture stuff a lot. I know there's no vlogger or blogger out there specifically writing for architecture students. So yeah, let's cater to that community. So that is why I'm making this video, Life of an Architecture Student. So as many of my viewers would know, life of an architecture student is not easy. So everybody who's an architecture student, not even related, who is an architecture student can understand what I'm trying to say. Everybody else in life is like, stop cribbing. मेहनत तो लाइफ में करनी ही पड़ती है. ओ ये imaginary building नहीं, असली बन जाए तब दिखाना. Now friends, relatives, family, parents, I know you mean well, but
You know nothing, don't you?
okay, so back to the title. Architecture students just nod along. Everybody else take notes. Like, take them. So I'm gonna take you step by step through 5 years of architecture school. So let's begin. Life of an architecture student. Year 1. Year 1 is that magical land where everything is shiny and new. You eat chocolate for food and shit out rainbows. Your design projects are about playing with forms, making models. It's all about putting your foot down into the pool and to like test the waters, you know, just. First years have this glow to their face, you know, a will to work. They are just so cheerful. And as they enter into their second semester from the first, they complain about having too much work. I mean, cuteness just oozes out of them, you know, like, coochie coochie. Now, year 1 is when you give a jury for the first time. It is a little scary and it can get hard, let me tell you. You might end up just doing this.
सब ले लो. उसका वो ऐसे हिला रहा है वहाँ से. दे दो. उसका ले दो. Sorry, वो पेपर हिला रहा है. दे दो.
Relax, you will live. Year 2. Now second year is when the fun kind of stops. This year you're not just making models anymore, you're actually designing. Year 2 is when you actually start feeling the pressure. I mean, even though it's like itusa, you feel it. Your teachers were just waiting for you to come to year 2 because now they can actually level with you. In just a matter of months, your teachers will turn from this
Nonsense, child. If you'd lost all your faith, I couldn't be here. And here I am.
to this.
कि तुमसे गलती हो गई कि तुम साहिल की बीवी होने के बावजूद उसका घर ठीक से नहीं रख पाती, कि तुम खाने में तेल और मसाला ज्यादा डालती हो, ट्रैफिक सिग्नल पर सस्ती अगरबत्ती खरीद करके खुश हो जाती हो.
Also, second year is when you get to hear things like बढ़िया है बे. I mean, टूटेगा क्या? घर बनाना सीख लिया तूने? साली याद तो आती है नहीं तुझे, मिलने आ जाएगा साल में एक बार बस. I mean, I'm already about to have a mental breakdown. Just stop, okay? Year 3. Remember your teachers? Yeah, well,
I'm just gonna hurt you. Really, really bad.
Okay, year 3 is when shit gets real. You are not just designing for yourself anymore. You are designing to sell. Things like FAR, ground cover, built up area are just getting thrown at you. And you are just like... Year 3 is when you get your gears oiled. It is when you get completely dried out. It is when you get yourself spanked real hard. But your personal life aside, year 3 is hard, man. Year 3 is completely different because in the 2 years that you've been studying, you gain a certain level of confidence. And well, in year 3, you are just like...
It's so narrow at the bottom.
Now year 4. Now I'm not in year 4 and I have no idea what happens in year 4, but here is me taking a guess. Year 4 is when the pressure really increases. But after year 3, you are completely ready. You are going through your assignments just like... Or you may be getting deeper into shit and maybe losing your mind. I mean, what do I know? But if the second case is true, I just like to remember some lines that always get me back up on the horse. They go like...
Damn it, woman, pull yourself together! Have some pride for the love of God!
Now year 5. Yeah, right, like I'm gonna guess this one correctly. Thesis, internship, there's just a lot to do this year. And I'm sure it is going to get tough. And I know a lot of people fail in their thesis or something like that, but you should never lose hope. And let's just take a second to talk about internships. Now, a lot of teachers have told me that we may think of ourselves as big designers, you know. We know everything by the time we're in year 5. But when you go for an internship, you are gonna get to design your very own toilet. Now, I do not know how much of this fact is true, but I do know one thing. Whenever you go to an internship, don't try and get cocky or else...
You are all of you beneath me. I am a god, you dull creature, and I will not be bullied by that.
Architecture can be tough, you guys. You'll get migraines, you'll lose touch with people, you'll get scolded for not being social enough. But push through, just power through, and you will reach your goals. You'll make friends that completely understand the situations you're going through. And as far as it goes about not being social, well, I am so sorry for your loss. That is it, you guys. These are the 5 years of architecture. The life of an architecture student through the college. I hope you guys like it. I'll have more content coming soon. Please give it a thumbs up. Please share it if you guys like it. I make new videos every Monday, though I won't be able to make one next Monday. Yeah, I'll see you next Monday. I'm sorry in advance. That is it. Please like, share and subscribe if you like this video. This is me signing off. Bye bye.